holidays, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy with an I. 2019 is ending and we have another chance to start fresh in 2020. Going into not only a new year, but a new decade has me focused on becoming my best possible self. So today, while I do my makeup, we're going to talk about how I plan on bettering myself in 2020. Okay, I'm going to start with eyebrows, and I'm going to be using Morphe Brow Cream in Mocha. I'll be using this Revlon Color Stay Liner. This is in brown. And I'll be using LA Girl Pro, and this is in fawn to conceal. The first thing that I want to do in 2020 is lose weight. My problem is I've been eating unhealthy food so long, I don't know any healthy recipes. So if you guys want to leave any links to any healthy recipes or things like that, those would be great. In 2020, I want to do more traveling. I've only been on a plane once, so I think it's time I got some more cities under my belt. In March, that is my birthday month. Wow. I do want to go to Barcelona, but I'm not sure how possible that'll be. So maybe we'll start smaller, and maybe I'll say Vegas. Now I'm going to apply my foundation with my Fenty Beauty. This next one is kind of a twofer. First, I want to read one new play every month. Hopefully I can do more, but to start, I want that to be my minimum, at least one new play a month. I want to discover new plays and new playwrights while also getting material, hopefully, for monologues and scenes. And that'll hopefully prepare me for my second part to this, which is to go to at least 5 professional acting auditions in 2020. 5 auditions is not a high number, but the year can get away from you, so I want to at least set it on myself to go to at least 5 of them. To do my highlights on my face, I'm going to combine my Fenty Beauty and my LA Girl Pro. in 2020, I also want to take better care of my hair. I've already started. I have my protective style in, and I've been maintaining an oil treatment. I don't want to use heat on my hair for at least the first 6 months of 2020. My biggest issue is, once again, doing so many styles that did heat that now I have no clue what natural styles to do. To contour, I'll be using Morphe's bronzer in Romance. To set my whole face, I'm going to be using this Kat Von D translucent powder. In 2020, I plan on becoming more organized. I think the biggest thing that I need to organize is my schedule. It's not necessarily my personal schedule. It's more so my business schedule. I'm also that person that will try on a million outfits before I find one that fits, and I'll throw things everywhere. So I need to organize my closet. My last goal for the new decade is to become more consistent in my posting. I want to become more consistent not only on YouTube, but also on my other platforms, which you can follow me at now. You'll be seeing more videos from me, including monologues, exercise videos, so you can hopefully keep me consistent with my exercise regimen. You'll see some cooking videos so we can find some new recipes so I can maintain that weight loss, as well as skits and more makeup tutorials and vlogs so we can have conversations just like this. Well, here is the final look. This is a nice natural holiday beat. I added a little gold in the corner just to give it a little. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested on following me into 2020, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much, and see ya next time.